Welcome guys, in this video let's see, why Wix would be the best choice, than other website creating tools, and moreover, we will see more about creating an account in Wix, and other stuffs. First, let me describe the key points, why I recommend Wix than WordPress. Wix is more easy to use than other tools, and no technical knowledge is needed to operate Wix, even a beginner can create site in Wix, and the important one is more options for SEO. We will discuss about SEO in upcoming videos. Thus in a beginner perspective Wix would be good option to create a website. Next let's see how to create a site in Wix. This will be the screen that appears after clicking create a new site. For a free Wix website, you won't get AdSense approval, hence it would be better to buy a domain from Wix, so that we can earn from Google Ads. Here, you can see many options according to your usage. Let me choose business. There are two options in editing our site. The first one, Wix will create a website for us based on our needs, but it would be better to choose the second option, where we can edit our site of our own, which would be more comfortable for maintaining the site. Just click choose a template, and here there are many templates, of which you choose of your own. No matter which you choose, we can alter everything within that. Here let me choose this. Click edit. This is the site. First let me explain the basic options, more like a site tour. Let me go with the left side options first. Here, the menus and pages, displays all the pages in our website. These are the main pages in this site. We can alter this based on our need. Using this you can have an overview if you have multiple pages in your site. Next, page transition. An animation can be used between the transition of pages. Here you can see the transition. Next one is page background. Here you can change the background images, as you can see here. You can use your customized images, or images available here. Next add section. Here you can add text, images, button, and more options were there. And moreover, you can add a blog to our website. Next, Wix App Market, where many apps or in other terms plugins, which can be used within our site by installing from this page. After this, the media section, where you can get free Wix images and videos, and you can also use your own images here. Here, you can see many images, and these images are uploaded and used from this section like this. And the next section is to edit our blogs in this site, and this is to receive online payments, or to book appointments, and for some other uses. That's it. Let's see more about Wix in our upcoming videos. Like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.